All right, Mom. We're almost ready. The great grands will be here soon.
What time they coming?
Oh, it'll be about maybe about an hour.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So we got the chicks, we got the peeps, we have chocolate covered almonds and marshmallows.
Yeah, when did you do all this shopping?
I kind of like did it over a couple of days.
That sounds
And then I told them to come.
Okay, I can get myself together then.
And then the last thing we gotta do are the eggs. We gotta get the eggs out and color them. And then we're gonna hide them. And that'll be the end of their Easter egg hunt.
Did you say eggs?
Yeah, Mom, I said eggs. That's what we normally
You
use.
gotta be kidding me. Do you know how much eggs cost? I'll tell you what we can do. What we can do. At this point, we can pretend that these are eggs. And we can color them. And put them all around. Pretend they're eggs because potatoes are cheaper than eggs. That's what
Yeah,
we're
but
going.
that's not.
That's what we're going with today.
Why?
Oh no. This is 2025. The eggs is just a bit too expensive.